Why are chiropractic adjustments important?
Chiropractic adjustments keep your spine and joints moving the way they're designed to move. When a joint locks up or gets restricted, you feel as that stiffness, tightness, and sometimes pain that shoots into your arms or your legs. By gently realigning the spine, reducing pressure on the nerves, you improve mobility and help your body heal itself the way it's supposed to. Adjustments aren't just about cracking the joint, they're about keeping the nervous system clear so your body can function at its best.